Hey there, Twisted Sage here. Sun's currently 11 degrees Taurus. Moon's about 15 degrees Capricorn. Um, Generally a sextile energy. The energy's passed though, so meaning the moon is already saying bye-bye to that trine. Big thing coming up is Mercury hitting shadow, but also before it hits shadow, there's a couple of weeks that it won't, it'll be in Gemini, thus speeding the energy back up for train wrecks. What a twisted thing to do. Why would you want a trophy of something's head? Anyways, what was coming to me? What we pass on to our children being important for perhaps definitely our grandchildren, but our incarnations after. You know, almost leaving like a portal energy for which we recycle back into. Man, these thoughts they sound great in my head, but they don't when they come out to the mouth sometimes. Totally Mercury in Aquarius, AB, and it's retro, so it's like zigzag, 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 zigzag. Or it can be calm but I can't utilize the English language well enough to project my mind. It felt like I had sudden epiphany. I'm like, all right, get to the phone. And then I get to the phone and it doesn't come out the same way. Very spring-like out finally. Kind of surprised. But I guess in some sense the sun and Uranus are they're in the same space, so I might have thought that I didn't have any huge surprises yesterday. I guess the day before, the way the electricity is linked to the trailer I live into, there was a manifestation of a split in the wire and creating sparks. Thus the Uranus electricity. Yes, things are going to speed up and then slow down. I imagine this Mercury in a home position is not going to be very pleasant. Get your ducks in a row now. June's going to be a high impact month. Most of the summer. The Cancer energy, the Leo energy, creating squares, oppositions. Cancer energy, mainly opposition, action. Leo energy, opposition, square, action, activating. That's when we'll probably see there's probably going to be a peak. I would say some more volcanic activity, but anywho, maybe I didn't eat good enough breakfast. It's time for a haircut. paradox. It all moves so fast and so slow. Yeah, I would say that to me, astrology isn't a belief, it's a fact. It's the neighborhood we live in. Kind of like some Horton, here's a who shit. But yeah, it is time for a haircut. I have thought about going back to bald, shaven. But I guess I still have a little bit of a hairline. It doesn't suggest what are you doing trying to keep that hair. All right, fuck, I'm out.